Hi, I'm Trish Wilkinson, founder of Brain Stages Education and Parenting and co-author of Brain Stages, How to Raise Smart, Confident Kids and Have Fun Doing It, with Jacqueline Frischnecht, who is a professor at the University of Denver. But she has since passed away, so I am carrying the torch. And next week, I'm doing a TED Talk on the 5 practices we can do in the classroom to bring the joy back to education for both teachers and students. And I'm looking for teachers who would like to be part of a pilot, giving you the opportunity to be part of the pilot to do these 5 practices, collect data, which is just a quick survey once a week, I promise, because I know you're super busy. And also for you to give me feedback to streamline this process of these 5 practices as much as we possibly can. I kind of discovered these practices because I was working with all these other people's kids in the classroom, as you know, all these students, and my own children have challenges. So one has auditory processing problems and attention issues, and the other one suffered from anxiety. So she would break into crying jags and have accidents at school. So here I was helping all these other people's kids, and I felt like I was failing my own children. So I went on this quest to figure out how to help them. And after a lot of trial and error, we found some great ways to help them, and they just took off academically. And so I started plugging those things into my classroom. And oh my gosh, doing these 5 practices, these synergistic, super simple things work like magic. I mean, I had this crazy 4th grade class at the time. Well, not crazy, but you know what I mean. It was one of those classes where I was like, oh my gosh, how am I going to get through this school year? I don't know if you've ever had one of those before, but it was rough. So I started doing these 5 practices. And here's the good news. After you do these 5 practices for a while, you assign them to students in your classroom and they do it for you and you just facilitate their learning. I mean, my classroom, I did it the first year I did it with a 4th grade class, and the class went from super squirrely and sometimes volatile or completely checked out to curious and engaged and invested. And they created this classroom community that was amazing. And it was super fun when their scores came in so high that and they were just like this ragtag group of kids that, everybody had pretty much not written off, but you know what I mean. People kind of get attitudes about the kids who are struggling sometimes. And our scores came in so high that they put a proctor in my classroom the next year to make sure I wasn't cheating. And that following year in 6th grade, I was teaching 6th grade language arts, and our kids came in at the top of the district. So, and it's not that I'm so amazing, it's that we were doing these 5 evidence-based, synergistic, brain-friendly practices. So if you would like to be part of a pilot and have this opportunity, I will do it without charging. It'll be totally free. I'll walk you through and coach you through it, and we'll make it really fun. If you would like to bring the joy back to education, you want to be like, I get to go to work today instead of, oh my God, how am I going to get through this week? And you would like to be part of this pilot, please let Jay know. And the things that you're learning from Jay, he's amazing about social and emotional learning and all of those things. These 5 practices will just make everything you're doing more effective and work quicker, basically. So if you would like to be part of this pilot, please let Jay know, or you can email me directly at trish@thebrainstages.com and put pilot in the subject line. I hope to see you there. I hope you're excited about bringing the joy back to education, hopefully for this entire country, because that's the goal. Okay, so hopefully I'll talk to you soon.